Managing inventory across platforms? Tricky affair. Solve it by linking your Etsy and Shopify products. Make it seamless with product linking. This will help you avoid duplicate products, ensure real-time inventory syncing, ensure real-time price syncing, prevent overselling or underselling. What is the sync with Etsy action? Sync status helps fetch the latest Etsy listings, keeps your product data up to date, updates product information, and reflects any changes made to Etsy product status. When should you use it? We automatically import and link all your products when you onboard, so only run the sync if you've made updates on Etsy. Open the Products section, where your products will be categorized into all products, not linked products, and linked products. To manually link products, navigate to the Not Linked Products grid. Here you'll find Etsy listings that haven't been matched with your Shopify products yet. Or switch to the Linked Products tab to view successfully connected listings. Here you can review, modify, or update the linked products to ensure accurate details and smooth order management. Now, let's learn how to link or unlink products step by step. First, identify the product you want to link. Click on Actions to access the link or delete on Etsy options. Select Link, and a pop-up will appear with a search bar. Use this search bar to find the corresponding Shopify listing by using the title or SKU. Once you find the correct product, select it and click Link Product. To verify successful linking, go back to Linked Products section and search for the product you just linked using title, product ID, or listing ID. Here you will see the Etsy listings linked to Shopify successfully. If you're not satisfied with the linking or want to change it, click on Actions and select Unlink. A pop-up will appear asking you to type UNLINK. This action will move the product back to the Not Linked list. Now let's learn how to change a linking. Navigate to the Linked Products list. Identify the product you want to change the linking for, and click on the Action button to open the details. In the Change Linking section, you'll see an option to search for a new Shopify product to link. You can search for the product by using Shopify title or SKU. This allows you to easily find the correct product on Shopify. Once you've searched for the product, a list of matching products from your Shopify store will appear. Review the search results, then select the correct product that you want to link to your Etsy listing. After selecting the new product from Shopify, click on the Link Products button to establish the new connection. Once done successfully, you will be able to see the two listings linked. If you're wondering how to link a listing that doesn't exist on Shopify, don't worry. We're about to walk you through how to create a new Shopify listing and link it with your Etsy listing. Open the Not Linked Products list. Identify the product you want to link and click on Create on Shopify. If a product with the same title doesn't already exist, a new product will be created on Shopify. You also have the option to create a listing with a duplicate title. Simply type Create and then click Confirm. CedCommerce will create the product on Shopify, and you can verify it in your Shopify store. Mission accomplished. You're now all set for seamless product linking. Your next mission? Turning those listings into successful Etsy sales. Happy selling!